Hello all. The purpose of this video is to help students and parents figure out how to get enrolled in their classes for the upstairs classes here at ELC. So we're going to start by being logged in to your Gmail. I have sent out invite codes as an email as well as invite codes as a list, because there's two different ways that you can go about enrolling yourselves into the classes that I've created. So to start with, you can see here we've got my nice little burner email that I set up to make sure that what the students see on their end is what I want them to be able to see. And you can see I've got class invitation as well as class invite codes. So one way that we can do this is simply we'll go to class invitation. Scroll down and click join. Join. And it will now take us to the landing page for that class. The second way of doing this is if we go back to our inboxes on these class invite codes. You can see here I've got health followed by this multi-digit and number code, and then one for science. And what we're going to do is simply highlight and then copy. And then we are going to go to our home page for Google Classroom. To get there, this little 3-bar here, click on classes, and this will display all of your classes. So here you can see the classes that I'm already in, but if you didn't get one of those invite codes, which I've noticed happens sometimes, you can manually enter yourself into class simply by going to the Google Class home, which is indicated here by that H, going to this nice little plus button right here, and we are going to join a class. Since I have already copied the code, I'm going to paste, Control V, and click join. And do that again. Since I already joined health, I don't know that I can join it twice. We will join science. So going back to home, join class, paste that code in there, join, and you can see we're in science. Double check and make sure that you are there. Go back to your home screen. This shows, again, all of the classes that you are in. So you might not have received some of the invite codes. However, I sent out an email to everybody that had the joining code, so the copy and paste version, for at least 6 classes. So if you do not see at least 6 classes on this screen right now, you need to go back into your Gmail, find that email, and manually enter yourself into those classes. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or a text. Look forward to teaching with you guys throughout the next